Yo, what's up everyone? This is LJ and welcome to my vlog. And today I have a special guest. So, come here now. Okay, so meet Mr. Mark. So, I'm gonna introduce you first, Mr. Mark, before na start natin yung vlog natin today. So this is Mr. Mark. He is a boy. He is a teacher by profession. Pero nakasuot po siya ng pang SWAT kasi nag-change career na daw po siya. Okay, so pero teacher pa din po siya, 'di ba, Mr. Mark? Okay. So, ayan po, I'm LJ once again and welcome to my vlog. So, since it's 2026, I'm starting and I'm gonna try to vlog again. Okay, so nung 2021 nag-start ako mag-vlog but those videos are so cringe. Pero kahit cringe ang mga video ko nung 2026, I'm so proud na nagawa ko yung mga video na yun. Okay, so from motivational, napunta sa unboxing ng NBA cards, tapos napunta sa Beanie because yun na nga po, nag-start akong inistan ang Beanie and I became Blooms noong 2024. So, sa vlog ko this 2026, I'm gonna pause some of my trips, some of my adventure, and mga kaganapan sa buhay ko, and some random things. So, sana i-support nyo po ako and make sure that you subscribe by hitting the subscribe button here in the YT channel. And po. And make sure that you also watch, share, and like my videos. Okay, so ayun lang guys. So sana po through my videos, ma-entertain ko kayo, makapag-iwan ako ng ngiti, ma-inspire ko kayo, ma-motivate ko kayo guys. And ayun, sa totoo lang, I just don't know what to say and how to begin my vlog again. Okay, so I call this the reset kasi I'm gonna start again. I'm going to begin again. Actually, hindi ko alam kung paano ko uli ito sisimulan. And I'm hoping na sana tawag nun, ma-upgrade ko yung mga YouTube ko. But I'm gonna try my best. Hindi kasi ako naging consistent nun eh. Kasi due to some reasons, no, like busy sa work, ganyan, busy sa life, yun. But this time, I'm gonna try my best to become consistent. Kaya yun guys, inuulit ko, sana supportahan nyo po si LJ sa kanyang mga vlog. So ngayon pa lang guys, advance thank you na sa inyo and God bless and have a blessed day and prosperous uh, 2026 to all of us. So ayun, hanggang dito na lang muna yung vlog namin ni Mr. Mark. So bye guys!